Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to hide your acne scars or pimples with very simple natural makeup. Please keep in mind that I am not a professional makeup artist, and I'm sharing with you guys what works for me. So let's get started. So I want to start by shaving. Before I apply any makeup on my face, I usually put on my skincare products first. These products will help moisturizing and protecting your skin so that your makeup doesn't turn into shit throughout the day. So let's get started. The first thing that I use on my face is rose water, or you can call it toner. The next thing that I put on is this serum. Fuck, I hate doing the YouTube thing, but I have to. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. It's just not working. Oh my god. Oh, right there. Now it's out of focus. Fuck my life. Hello? I'm here. Okay, there we go. It smooths fine lines and wrinkles. It's always better to use it like now. Like, why do you need to wait? You don't need to wait. Next, I will use this turmeric cream. I have a lot of acne scars on my face, and basically it will help kind of, it will get rid of the scars over time. Like, it's not gonna help like right away, but it will like help over time if you continue using the product. Anyways, I used just a little. So now the last product that I'm going to put on my face is my favorite moisturizer, and it's this product right here. As you can see, I'm almost running out of it. You need to moisturize your skin before you put on your makeup. As you can see, I have like an acne scar right here. Let's talk about color theory. I don't remember the color theory. I actually do not remember the color theory, but I do know that if you mix red and... Anyways, I know that green will cancel red. So, because I have a lot of redness around my mouth area and also my nose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel that out. I have 3 different primer products. This one is a primer from e.l.f. This one is not a primer. This one is a color correcting stick also from e.l.f. And this one is another primer, and it's by Face Studio. So far, I'm really happy with this one. Oh, actually, this one is by Maybelline New York. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just a little bit, and then I'm going to patch it around my mouth. I want to rub it. And I'll do the same thing on my nose. And I like to put a little right here, right on my acne scar. I'll use my primer on top of the Maybelline primer that I just used. The reason why I'm still using this one is because it's greener. I don't know if you can see, it's greener than the other one. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, you don't have to use all these products, but I'm just showing you guys once again what works for me. Next, I'm using this e.l.f. color correcting stick, and I'm gonna put it on my acne scar like that, and I'll go around my face and find my other acne scars that I have. So I have a little scar right there. I'll go ahead and blend it out with like a mini beauty blender. I'm going to use another primer, and this one is a mineral infused face primer. So I put a little on my mini beauty blender, and I'm just gonna like blend it all over my face. It's very important to use a primer as the base of your makeup because it will help holding on to your makeup throughout the day. If you don't use a primer, I don't know what happens if you don't use a primer. So the next thing I'm going to use is this BB cream by Revlon. So what I like to do is I put a little on my mini beauty blender, and I just try to distribute the product all over my skin. So since you guys are already here, I would like to introduce myself. Wow, my name is Sue. I live in South California. My English is not perfect, by the way. I moved here when I was 12, and I graduated with a degree in fashion. If you want to know, is fashion merchandising. That's my degree. And no, I do not design. I don't know how to sew, okay? A lot of people, when I tell them my major or my degree in fashion, they will always be like, oh my gosh, can you make me a shirt? Can you make me a dress? So you have your own clothing store? No, none of that. Fashion merchandising is different than, you know, designing. I am currently working for a fashion company. Well, not as of right now because we're in the middle of a pandemic, so I'm waiting for the company to reopen, but yeah. I've been working in the fashion industry for a while now. So, now that I'm done blending the product, as you can see, my acne scars are fading away slowly, especially this one. So I'm going to use this concealer on my acne scars one more time. Make sure to wet your beauty blender. So now you're basically done. You don't need to put on anything else. You need to put on bronzer, you don't need to put on blush, because we want to look like natural with this makeup look. I would use rose water on top of everything just to kind of like lock everything together, and plus it will help with melting all of the layers of your makeup together, if that makes sense. I don't know, I think I made that up also, but I always use my rose water on top of this makeup. But if you want to continue watching this video, I'm going to finish my makeup. I don't do crazy contour or, you know, eyeliners, or I don't put on eyeshadows. So if you want, continue watching. So now that I'm like semi-done with my makeup, I put on some baking powder. I usually put the powder on the cap, and then I use a beauty blender to pick up the powder. And I wet this one already, so look, it's much easier. And I like to put the cap under to make sure that I am not making a mess. I really don't care about this area right here because number one, I wear my glasses, so doesn't matter. And number two, I am going to put on makeup under my eyes. And the brand I'm using for my baking powder is also from e.l.f. You know, if you don't have a budget to buy makeup, be like me, just get the products from e.l.f. So I'm just gonna lounge around a little bit and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Look at what my friend sent me on Snapchat. I usually just use like a very simple brush, nothing too crazy, and I'm just gonna brush this shit off. I'm gonna turn on the light. Now that I'm done with that, my face is super matte. I love it. I have this face and eye gloss from, once again, e.l.f. I'm gonna use this because it looks very close to the color of my skin, rather than the white. The white is a little bit too bright. I have another product from e.l.f. and it is the Lip Balm Tint. So I'm not using this on my lips. I'm going to use this on my eye bags. Okay. Sorry, I haven't put on makeup in such a long time. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I want to put on some blush. For blush, I'm using something different. I use my liquid blush. I like to put a little on the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to put a little bit of lip gloss. Okay. Okay, you guys, this is my final makeup look. I'm really happy with how this turned out, despite the fact that I haven't put on makeup in 3 months. Here's a close-up so you guys can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like what you see, if you have any questions, if you have any feedback, anything you would like me to know, please leave your comments below. Please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You know, share it with your friends or whatever you want to do. I talk too much. I'm out of here. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.